Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This demo covers Forms Filer Plus. Forms Filer Plus is a forms filler. The form data is entered and then printed. It does not save the data to a database. To save the data to a database, use AMS Payroll. This is the main menu. The different modules can be selected from this screen. The main menu also includes the serial number and version information, options to select users, view changes, and AMS contact information. There are also functions to backup and restore pairs and download updates. To continue, select Forms Filer Plus. Each time a pair is created, a folder for that pair is set up in the work directory. The folder name will then be listed in this window. The base pair is used to set up default pair information, that is, information that will be the same for all new pairs. Do not enter employee or form data in the base pair. Click Create New Pair. Enter a pair directory name. In the example, this will create a folder in the work directory called ABC Payroll. Click OK. Click Yes to create the pairs directory. The folder name is now listed on the Select Pair screen. When selected, any data entered will be saved to this pairs folder. Highlight the pair and click OK. This is Forms Filer Plus. Let's take a brief look at the commands. Click on Pair. Using the Pair command, you can switch between pairs, add a password, enter the pair information, and add reminders that will display when the pair is opened. Click Form to continue. The Form command is split into two categories, Federal and State. This is a list of the supported federal forms in Forms Filer Plus. To review the federal forms, pause the demo. This is a list of the supported state forms in Forms Filer Plus. Pause the demo to review the list. The rest of the states and forms supported will be on the next screen. This is the rest of the list of the supported state forms in Forms Filer Plus. Pause the demo to review the list. Click Federal Forms. Highlight the 941 quarterly return and click Select. This is the input screen for the 941 form. Since this is the first time we are entering the pair or form, it will be blank. Once the pair's data is entered on the form, that data will automatically be filled out on all other forms for this pair. If it is a multi-page form, access subsequent pages by clicking the right arrow at the top of the form. Also, at the top of the form, there may be auxiliary information that will need to be reviewed. In the auxiliary section, if needed, check Paid Preparer. The pair's information has been entered. In the address section, line 1 is the street address, and line 2 is the city, state, and zip. When entering data, any field that uses a black font can be edited. For example, lines 1, 2, and 3. Enter the data. Use the scroll bar to access the bottom of the form. Values with a maroon font are calculated fields. These fields are calculated based on the data entered that is associated with the field. For example, 5A, column 2, Social Security tax will be automatically calculated. Once all the values are entered, click the Calculate button at the bottom of the screen. Notice that the maroon fields have been calculated. For example, 5B, column 2, is the calculated amount using the Social Security taxable wages, and the Social Security rate, which is 12.4%. Please note, there is a balance due. At the top of the page, click the right arrow to access page 2. Enter or edit data as needed. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Enter or edit the information. Since Paid Preparer was checked in the Auxiliary Information section, Fill out the preparer's information. Click on the left arrow at the top of the form to go back to page 1. Once the form is completed, select Print and follow the prompts to print the form. In some cases, there are forms that are connected. For example, the 941 is connected to the 941 Schedule B and the 941 voucher. Click Jump, located at the bottom of the screen, to go to the connected forms. The program jumped from the 941 to the 941 Schedule B form. Fill out the 941 Schedule B if needed, otherwise, click Jump. The program jumped from the 941 Schedule B form to the 941 voucher. Notice that the information from the 941 form has automatically carried over to the 941 voucher. Click Jump to get back to the 941 form. For more information on Forms Filer Plus, please review the help files located within the program. Click Quit to return to the Forms Filer Plus main screen. Notice that the form line indicates that the last form accessed was the 941. As a shortcut, Input will open up the form listed on that line. Click Quit. For further assistance, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Or please refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, chat or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.